You've seen amazing face swap videos online. Today, we'll install FaceFusion on Windows and run a real demo, no Docker, just native Python. Make sure you have Python 3.10+, Git, and a GPU driver ready. I'll show every step. We will start the installation following the instructions on the document page.
We need to install Git, CUDA, and FFmpeg. In the video, I have installed it already, so the output will happen like this.
After installation is complete, we move on to the Prepare Your Environment step. After getting the virtual environment, we move on to the Install Your Accelerator step. If you are using NVIDIA GPU, then you must install CUDA.
If you have a high-performance NVIDIA GPU, install TensorRT additionally. OpenVINO is only for Intel graphics cards. You can ignore it.
Now let's move on to the FaceFusion installation step. In the Install the Application step, I recommend you to choose CUDA.
Now we will reload the virtual environment.
The final step is to just run FaceFusion. Note, the first time you run it, it will take some time for FaceFusion to load resources. Once dependencies finish, run the app. It opens on localhost :7860.
Now I will guide you how to create a bat file to launch quickly without typing commands in CMD.
You just need to create a .txt file on your desktop, then copy and paste the command line I attached below the description. Then rename the file to .bat. Now I will do a quick demo for you. The first will be face swap image to image. You just need to input the image. We will have a preview box to preview the output image. We can use Pixel Boost to sharpen the image. In addition, you can use the Face Enhancer function to sharpen the output face.
Frame Enhancer will sharpen the entire image.
You can choose the output folder path. We press Start to start creating the image.
Now I will face swap on video.
That's FaceFusion, fully local on Windows. Commands are in the pinned comment below. Subscribe if you want the next video.